Baby, I believe Mike killed my brother.
Jesus Christ. Babe, are we still talking about Mike? I thought the police are on air.
Mike gave me money. Mike bought a house. Say Mike is building a house in Asaba. Mike became so wealthy overnight. Mike moves around with talks. My brother's girlfriend mentioned Mike's name before she died. That was the last thing she said before she died. $5 million.
Babe, what are you saying, for crying out loud? Babes, you are scaring me, please. I beg you, just let police to do their job, please.
I will never allow Mike to enjoy my brother's money. Never. He will never enjoy my brother's money. He will pay.
Babe, please. Please, I beg you. Just let police do their job, please. Like, I don't understand. Some days you could be so stubborn over... I don't know what to tell you anymore. I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to advise you anymore. I don't know why you're so stubborn. I don't know. Sometimes you're so stubborn.
It's time you end this war between the two of you before you get yourself killed.
But Mike cannot eat my money and go scot-free. It is not possible.
Money? How much money are you talking about?
$5 million.
$5 million? Where did you get that kind of money from?
Somebody gave me a contract to supply palm frogs to abroad.
Somebody gave you $5 million to supply a palm fruit? Mburago? So.
Yes, trailer load. Ebuna 911, that's by Ebu.
But Mike told me he got a job abroad that paid him a lot of money.
Mike can fool everyone, but not me, Gerard. I have proof.
Okay. If what you're saying is truth, and you have proof, why don't you get the police involved?
This is not a police case. This is not a police case. Listen, it is my war. I will sort it out with Mike. It is my war. I want you to do something for me.
Yes.
Please help me reach my friend, Udoka.
Udoka. Okay.
Say I dey suffer for you, you dey suffer for me. One level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Mona give a chakala, waiting for the beat. Now the color don't know. People let go away one night. I look at the mansion everywhere. Joy one night, get us a go see. He is so mean. Oh, yeah, Imana obi ajalanjana obi adina yama maja obi adina yama maja obi adina yama maja. You can do anything for the money obi adina yama maja. There are friends who are friends, and there are enemies. They are unfriendly friends. Fabro mela nilu kwampetenazo. They will smile with you, and you would think they are there with you. Before you know they say you're giving He is so mean. Oh, Imana obi achọrọ njọ na obi adịla ya mma macha. Obi adịla ya mma macha. Obi adịla ya mma macha. You can do anything for the money. Obi adịla ya mma macha.
Look, thank you so much. How did you do it? Because the DPO said I was not going to be released.
Well, you know your guy now. I threatened to sue him to court for keeping you for more than 24 hours in the cell without taking you to court. You know that is wrong now.
Mike, you have just stirred up the beast in me. And you will hear from me.
Guy, relax. The police are still investigating. You know this fight is our fight, not only you. Just calm down. Let's just give police chance to do their job.
My brother.
Yes.
Don't you hear what Gerard is saying?
What?
You think he cooked up the story? When he said Mike is holding on to his hard-earned money? Spending his money? You know the both of them are good friends. It is time we invite Mike over to come and explain what he's doing with Gerard's money. Why is he holding on to Gerard's money?
My brother, Gerard said Mike's money is blood money. He kills people for making money.
The Gerard, your son, my nephew, told me in confidence that the money Mike is spending is his money. His hard-earned money. And please, I am begging you. It is time we bring the elders into this. Just take a look at me. I'm owing everywhere. I can't even pay back. And I'm about to be thrown into the cell.
My brother, you always think about yourself. Self.
I am not thinking about myself. I am thinking for the family. Don't you need money to bury your late wife? Oh,
you're not far from the truth. Hey, I need money to bring her corpse out from the morgue. From the hospital.
Hoppy, let me give you a ride.
I shall hop in.
Of course.
In Echo, parading the whole village with stolen wealth.
Watch your tongue, man.
I should watch my tongue.
Of course.
Have you asked your son how he got his sudden wealth?
I can perceive that poverty has eaten deep into your skull. I've still listened to Titus' stupid songs that will claim to order.
What do you think is the sudden cause of the war between them?
Clearly jealousy. It's obvious. Tell your good-for-nothing son to go out there and make money instead of wearing jealousy like a garment.
I should advise you to ask your son to tell you the truth.
My friend, go and ask your son to go out there and make money with his mates. Rubbish.
Kopu.
Go and tell your son to go out there and make money. Rubbish. Hey. This is my house. Beautiful, right?
It's beautiful.
You like it?
Yes.
Good. Sit down.
Thank you.
What do you care for? Drink? Food? Water? Just name it.
No, don't worry, I'm fine.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
I want you to take something before we go down to business.
I'm fine.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God. Your body is as soft as pillow.
Don't say that again.
Oh, no. I wish I would continue this way. You are killing me. Oh, no. Oh. My phone is ringing. Excuse me. It's my son. Hello, son. How are you? Hope you're doing good. No, he dares not. Ever since you warned him has learned his lesson, I don't think he'll ever come to disturb me anymore. Definitely I will do that, son. But my son, please, your father is broke. I need some money, please. Yes, I know, but the cost of maintenance is very high. Please, things are really very high for me. Just help your father, as usual, eh? Oh, thank you, my son. God will bless you. Wherever you're getting this money, God will replenish it 100-fold. Thank you, my son. Thank you. Where are we?
Oh, how about the money I asked you for?
Oh, money? How we double it? You know about that?
Yes.
Now, let's go to the bedroom and go down to business. Come on.
What exactly is going on? I mean, if you two are having a problem, why don't you go over to him so that you guys can talk about it, sort it out, and let this whole thing end? I'm tired of you two fighting.
Not when he has my money.
He has your money. Okay, even if he has your money, why don't you remind him? You know, things with these rich people, sometimes they tend to forget about stuff like this, especially when it has to do with little amounts of money. Remind him.
$5 million is not a little amount of money.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. You're serious? Gerald, did I hear you say $5 million? Gerald, that is a lifetime fortune.
I know.
Yes. Now I know, and I am surprised that you are this calm. You should go over to him, fight him and get your money. I mean, what are you doing here? $5 million. Gerald, what business did you do to get that kind of money? And why haven't you gone to the police? Or did you steal the money?
Even if I stole it, it is my money. Well, I mean, not exactly.
Not exactly?
Baby, it is my money. I worked for it.
Exactly why you shouldn't be sitting down here. You should be at his place, fighting him to get your money from him. Or maybe sue him, take him to the station.
I can't sue him now. I need a plan. I need to plan.
You need to plan. Okay. So what's the plan?
Babe, this is my fight. It is my war. Allow me handle it my way. Alright?
Okay. Waymaker. Handle it. It's fine. Do it your way. Did you say? Sorry.
Yeah, let her go fair. You don't go over that to Igwe. I gave Igwe a gym.
Okay, when do more gaji, when they kill ka film. No shaking.
Is it not shaking? Now we're talking about $5 million. It's not a film. You know, they have a kili film. Buru kika gym. Do something. Go and fight for your money. Not same film na gym. $5 million.
Oh, well, and then nobody finally.
This officer is just wasting my time. It's almost... Oh.
You called me?
Yes, officer. I sent for you.
What's the update?
Sorry, officer. This might sound very strange, but the fact is that I want you to stop the investigation. I mean, my late brother's investigation.
But why? Are you under any pressure or something like that?
No, not at all. Nothing is going on. I just want to be free. I want my brother to be free. I want to bring my brother in peace.
Well, all right. That means you have to come to the station to sign some documents.
For that document. Okay, you know what? I'll come tomorrow to sign those documents. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
You can come tomorrow, yeah.
And when I come tomorrow, I'll fix you up. Thanks for the stress.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
All right.
My son is not a ritualist. And he owes your son nothing. Nothing.
Ichokafo, you don't come here and play on our intelligence. Where is your son, Michael? Where is he? He was supposed to come here to clear his name.
Yes. Bochago, let me clear it for you. Supposed to be here to clear his name. I heard you. What about his own son? Why is his own son not here? Why is Jiran not here? Let his own son come here to and claim.
Will you shut up? Are you mad?
Me shut up.
Yes.
Me shut up.
Yes.
Poor man.
I am just
Poor
telling you.
man.
Is you hear what my son told me? That your son is owing him a huge amount of money.
My son equally told me that he owes your son nothing. Because your son asked him to give him a huge sum of money, he refused. That's why your son is painting my son a ritualist. He's owing him. Ask your son well, oh. Ask him, oh.
My brother's son, Gerard, who is my nephew, accused your son of being a killer.
Yes.
He kills for money.
Yes.
My own son.
Yes.
My son does not kill, can't even kill an ant. What are people talking about? If your son says my son is a killer, let him come here and set it before us. Bring him to come and talk to us.
It's okay. Both of you must provide your sons for proper questioning.
Bam. That is the truth.
Yes.
Let him come and state it.
Who follow? And I'm telling you, who follow. Get up.
Oh.
But I told you now. I told you I'm not eating.
That's so rough.
But I told you I'm not eating now. Okay, look at my body.
Look at my own.
Clean my body.
You clean my own first.
Clean my body.
Clean my own first now.
So lady first, right? But clean mine.
I will not.
You will not clean my body. Okay? Don't worry.
Sorry.
Think about it nice.
You two like it.
Excuse me. The boy, just come. Yeah, come. Come, don't be afraid. Come.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
Good. Who is that girl?
Eh?
Yes, I like her. She's beautiful. Please, can you arrange for both of us to meet? It's not free. I'm going to give you good money.
You mean you like her?
Of course I do. That's why I stopped.
Wait, sir. You mean you like your daughter? But that's fine. That's
That's fine.
Why are you saying that? I'm not happy about that. I'm not an old man. Forget what you see about my face. All the things you see here, all my beard, this white ears, it's natural. It's a gift from God. They call me Boyoyo.
Oh, Boyoyo.
Yes.
I like that.
Talk to her for me.
Okay, sir.
Don't try and convince her.
Okay, sir.
In short, take my number.
Yes. Okay.
0701
0701
333
333
2334. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Make sure she gets my number.
Okay.
Let her call me.
Okay, sir.
By the way, are you the brother?
No. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Slip of the tongue.
Okay.
Yes, I am the elder brother, sir.
Oh, that make it very easy, very simple.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm going to shower you with money if you succeed.
Hey.
You see, I will start with 50,000 naira.
Jesus.
Yes.
50,000 naira?
Are you doubting me?
No, sir. Hi, sir. No problem.
That's
all
good.
right? Yeah, yes.
You deserve.
I'm the elder brother.
Good,
all right?
good.
I'm going to persuade her.
Thank
I
you.
will force her.
Good.
I will convince her. I will make her call you, sir. She must call you.
You're a good boy.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry.
You don't have any problem.
You will not regret it.
It's done already.
I trust you.
Yes, sir.
I trust you.
Yes, sir. I will not fail you, sir.
I will keep my fingers crossed.
I will not fail you.
Waiting.
Sir, just find any beer parlor. Go and be enjoying yourself.
All right.
Sir. She's all yours, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Hey.
Don't worry.
Thank you. Bye-bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir.
It's okay.
Bye-bye, sir. Woo! Yeah.
Why are you dancing? Wait, stop all this thing. It's not a joke. I said you should stop now.
I'm listening.
See, let me tell you, that man will not stop disturbing me in this village.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm listening to you, baby.
What were you both discussing?
My love, Maga don't ball out. We have gotten a Maga. Baby? I am with a Gomwada. That man said he likes you. Baby, he said he wants you by all means. Oh!
And you're happy. And you're happy.
That man wants my baby. Baby, I have a plan. All right? Baby, listen. We are going to open office on his head. Listen, not just anyhow office. I am going to open office of the Accountant General of the Federation on that man's head.
What do you mean?
Baby, calm down. Calm down. I will make you understand what I mean, my love. Come on. Come with me, baby. I mean, with the Gomada, we have gotten a Maga. Baby, God has blessed us. Come.
Jesus, Odili. You want me to sleep with an old man for money?
God forbid. Baby, when did I say that? No, when did I say that?
Then what are you saying? Tell me.
Baby, calm down. Just calm down. Listen, if you want to know anything pertaining to the ground, you ask the rabbit. But if you want to know anything pertaining to the street, ask me. Now listen, here is the plan. I want you to pretend to accept him. All right? Yes. When he wants to enter, I will jump in and catch both of you. From there, I am going to turn that man into our ATM machine. He will start paying us like whites. Can't you get it?
Paying what?
Oh, come on, baby. You are disappointing me. All this while you've been around me doesn't mean you've not been able to learn one or two things based on the street. Baby, must I tell you everything? Must I? Must I tell you everything?
See, Odili, I am not interested. I am not interested. In fact, don't even tell me about that man again. I am not game. I'm not doing this.
Baby, see business. Mbada.
Mbadamene kwa mwanya bale. Baby Maga, we street boys they stay awake every other night. Now we God carry give me and you without stress. Baby, you won't lose Gadam. And they ask you won't lose Gadam. Hi, baby, now come on, calm down now. Make I use you. Make I use you big this money. See you see money, baby. Now, please. Let me manage you.
Don't manage me. Odili, don't even manage me. Odili, wait oh. You want me to spread my 2 legs for an old man to enter just for your selfish reason? I hate you! I hate you!
You are misunderstanding the whole thing.
Go. Hey, Odili, oh, I should sleep with an old man for your selfish reason. You're wicked. I hate you.
Ami, God, this guy is too short-tempered. Just look at him, Maga. Mbadam kwa mwanya every other night. Oh God. Baby, you won't make I kneel down for you. Baby, you won't make I cry for you. My love, please. Allow me to do this. I promise you, this man is not going to use you. Baby, we need his money. We need this man's money badly, and you know it. Look, baby, his son is rich. When I say rich, I mean very rich. The son is, he has excess money. So taking small money from him, I don't think it's going to be a bad idea.
See, Odili, I've not done this thing before. How can I allow that man to touch me with his haggard hands? I cannot do it.
My love, I am not saying he's going to touch you that long. No. As soon as he tries to enter, I will burst in. Yes, I promise that's what I'm going to do.
Odili, my heart is not carrying this thing, no. What if it does not work as planned?
Baby, why they talk like this now? You don't know me again. It will work. Now me arrange the work now. No worry. Just say yes. It's going to work. Don't be me again. Onya bukwa mbadao. Biko. Anama yogi Biko, baby. Help me, Biko. Please, Biko. Baby, Biko.
What is it? That man has arrested Papa. He came with policemen for. They beat him. They threw him in their car like a criminal. Took him away.
Which station? Which station they go?
Police station!
Let's go.
Uncle.
Eh?
Uncle, they've arrested our father.
How? Who? Why?
Uncle, he's owing Mazi Okoro. So he brought policemen to arrest him.
Mazi Okoro? Is he mad? Oh, wait for me, please. Wait for me. Let me get my car. Mazi Okoro.
Uncle.
Let's go to the police station. What is wrong with him? Because he's owing. Who doesn't owe? No sense. Let's go. Hey!
I can't believe my father will pass a night in the police cell. That man is wicked. He's wicked. Despite all the begging, the pleading, the worst part, he said I should sleep with him.
What? He said that?
Yes, he did. I nearly killed him when he uttered that rubbish from his dirty mouth to my sister.
Oh, come on, my love now. Do this thing now. Eh? Do this thing and save your father and your sister. Do this simple thing and save yourself from this embarrassment. Please.
I'm ready. Let me have his number.
I should give you the number?
Yes.
Coach, this is what I've been saying. Wait. Let me see. All right. Here is it. This one.
Hello?
Hello? Yes, this is Uzamaka.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my angel. My beauty. How are you? I've been waiting for this your sweet call this while. Thank God you called today. So how are you? Well, in any case, so you want to see me? That is good. In the hotel? No, what is wrong with my house? My house should be better now. Oh, you prefer hotel? Well, no problem. Go to a hotel, eh? I will take to a hotel. No one will see us. We're going to be ourselves, enjoy ourselves. I'm going to do you well. No problem about that. No problem. No, I promise you something. I will give you your call. Please, eh? Thank you so much. At last! At last! I've gotten her. God, thank you. I've gotten her. I'm so happy about it. Yeah, I'm so happy about this.
I'm begging you to release my brother from the police custody so that we can settle this matter once and for all. Please.
No. Ichie, no. He must stay there until he provides the money.
Ichie, how can you put him in the police custody and expect him to pay the money?
How can he work out that money when he's still there?
That is none of my business. I want him. The money is all I want. If you don't have a better thing to say, have a nice day. Nonsense.
Okoro! Okoro! You are a very wicked human being. You are very wicked, Okoro. Eh? How do you expect him to work out that money when he's still in the police custody?
Oh my God. Nonsense. Okoro, you are a very big moron. A very big one. Oh, how can I get this money? Oh, Chineke me. Oh, Chimo. Okoro ebolo nwe na won. Okoro. Hey.
You must be a sweet girl, eh? From your appearance, I had noticed that I'm going to handle you gently. Not be a very sweet girl. Don't worry. Not to hurt you.
Sir, I've not done this before.
Really?
I'm a virgin.
Oh! Make it very sweet, eh? I want to handle you gently. I know how to handle girls of your age. That's why they call me Boyoyo. Come. Just come. Come now.
Ayo.
Come. Why? Oh, yeah.
Ayo. Hi.
I won't hurt you.
Okay.
Have a kiss with me.
Ayo.
Remain like that. Freeze. Oga, if you move, just remember that.
Who's that?
If you move, Oga, if you move, your head will drop on the floor. I am not done recording.
Hey, brother. Brother, we've not done anything, no.
Yes, you say the truth. I've not even touched her. I'm still wearing my boxers. You can see it. I'm sorry, my son. Please.
Good. I think I'm done now. And you, what is he doing here? What is he doing here?
Get out! Sorry, my son, very sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Don't harm me, please. I'm very sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Please. I swear I'm not doing anything with her. Enough!
You know, say you don't F. But last, guy man go eat breakfast. Now that she's gone, let's talk as men.
Yes. Let's talk like men. Yes, I like that. Let's talk like men. I like that. Let's talk like men. Huh?
Oh, sorry, no. I meant to say, let's talk like father and son.
Yes.
I mean, like a stupid father, which is you, and a wise son. That is not your son anyways.
No problem about that. No problem.
Okay.
Let's talk.
Good.
Yes.
Now, do you prefer I cut off your manhood
No.
here and now? Or you prefer I show this video clip to the entire world?
Hey.
You know something? I have some good friends who are bloggers. Yes, and they will really like this video. Trust me, sir, if this clip gets to them within 24 hours, it's everywhere.
Hey, man.
Or do you prefer to pay me the sum of 2 million naira?
Hey, I don't have it. I will give you 400,000, I promise you.
What?
Yes, 400,000.
Are you insulting me?
No, sir.
Okay, but you're insulting me.
No, sir.
I am already angry that you slept with my girlfriend. And you are here insulting me by telling me you want to give me ordinary 400,000 naira. Do you think I'm joking with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, do you think I'm joking with you?
600,000. 600, I'll give 600. Shh. I'll give 600. Don't kill me, please, my son.
600,000 naira. Wait, is that all you can afford?
Yeah, that's all I have in this world. I
I don't believe you. Your son is rich and he sends you money every time. It's very obvious you want me to go.
No, wait, 600,000. Go and swear. I swear my father. I swear my mother. I swear the whole world. I swear. I will.
600,000 naira.
Yes.
600,000 naira.
Yes, first it tomorrow morning.
Oga, if I wait you by tomorrow, if I don't see this money by tomorrow, even your ancestors will watch this video clip.
Hey.
Stupid!
I will give you. I will pay. I will pay you. I will give you. Hey! Don't try it. 600,000. I will pay back and I will give it to you. I swear. Chuku, I can't believe it. I just emptied my account and gave someone 600,000 naira. This is pure blackmail. How will I tell Mike to send another money to me? How will I convince him? I'm sending me money. I don't understand. God! Oh! How will I convince my son? 600,000 naira. 600 just gone like that. For nothing. Oh! 600,000 naira. 600,000. Just gone. 600,000 naira. Oh God. My son. 600,000.
Ụgwazinu ndị n'obodo fa na-ekiri ya ka fim mana obodo bụrụ igwe na ụga isi ebube ya ka jim agbanye sinima ndị mmadụ a na-ekiri ya ka fim ịma ka nsi kwado obi elewago m na
Baby, cheers. Cheers, cheers. We have arrived. I said we have arrived. We have arrived. I told you it was going to work. I told you it was going to work. Take it. Hey, you're a criminal. Hey, come here. A little more. Enjoy. Talk money. I'm going to take a very good care of you. I told you something that if it did not work, I didn't want. Yeah? Son of a bitch! Come on here! Yeah? Wait. Woo! Hey! I like this though. Baby, enjoy money. I thought this was going to work. Enjoy money. Don't mind anybody who's looking at us. You understand me? Money has come. Mama! Bring more things. Baby, enjoy. Take it.
What bloody nonsense! Simple instruction these boys cannot carry out. Keep an eye on my father. Do not let him out of your sight. I mean, what's so difficult in that? Why do I pay these boys? Why?
Sweetheart, please calm down. Please calm down. Let's not apportion blames now. Let's do something. Let's look for him somewhere, please.
Look for him where? Look for him where? By this time, it's past 9 p.m. Where do we find the man?
Anywhere, honey. Anywhere. It could be anywhere. He has friends, right? Relatives or something. Somehow, let's just look for him, please.
I've called everybody I know. I've called all my relatives. Nobody knows, nobody has seen him. Nobody knows where he is.
Honey, he must be somewhere. Definitely, he must be somewhere. He cannot just move into the thin air. It's not possible. He must be somewhere.
What do you want?
What is that? Oh,
No, Papa, no. Please, we are not here for troubles. Please. We are here to see if our father was here yesterday.
You think my house is a place of lost but found food? You better go and look for your stupid father elsewhere before I pour you hot water.
Fine. We'll leave. But be rest assured that I'll come back. Just pray I find my father between now and tomorrow. Else I will come back and I'll arrest you and your son for constantly threatening us.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
I am waiting.
Oh, well, and the nobody, finally, I catch him. What was the nobody, Fanekiri, I catch him. Nobody believe when no guy say, Bube, I catch him. Abanya Sini, and the mother, Nekili, I catch him. A man can see what the This is war, I will fight it to the end. I will run into anybody who will block my way. As you see me at the vessel, somebody oh me oh, and the loser come to run. My heart is broken. Then I am born boy. Somebody oh me oh, I am losing it oh. Oh me power me. Then I am born my hey. This is war. This is war.
Don't worry, please, we come. We'll find him.
When? This is the first time something like this is happening. Father is not the kind of man who will go out and not return. I don't want anything bad to happen to him.
Nothing will happen to Papa. I promise you, by the special grace of God, nothing bad will happen to him. Or we can just report to the police that listen, you know, he'll take your call now.
Hello? Oh. Papa? Are you okay? Alright, listen, wherever you are.
What? What did he say? Is he okay?
He was screaming, help me, help me.
Ha!
It's obvious my father is in trouble.
Ha! Where is he? Where? Let's go there. Okay, baby, just call the police. Call the police, please.
This is war, I will fight it to the end. I will run into anybody who will block my way. As you see me at the vessel, somebody oh me oh, and the loser come to run. My heart is broken. Then I am born boy. Somebody oh me oh, I am losing it oh. Oh, the power me.
Ifa, what is it?
Mike was here early this morning.
And so?
His father is missing.
Oh, you now reported to me as a policeman. I can... Eh? What is my business?
I hope you don't have a hand in his father's disappearance.
Papa, get respect though. Yes, for you as my father. To say no be say you be my father. I will change it for you straight up. If it was another person that said this thing outside. Design a skirt and blouse. What concerns me that someone's what is his name? Mike's father is missing and you're asking me if I have a hand in it. Eh?
My son that I know will not have a hand in such thing. I'm just asking you because Mike threatened to get us arrested if he does not find his father.
Udo. See, the person that built a church and the person who designed prison yard, now the same mindset they get. Correctional center. Only different be say, then do them differently. Me, they wait for Mike.
This is war, I will fight it to the end. I will run into anybody who will block my way. As you see me at the best, yo, somebody owe me, yo. And I lose the control. My heart is broken. Then on your boy. Somebody owe me, yo. I am losing it, oh.
The number has been switched off since last night.
Baby, I think we just involve the police.
No police. I'll handle it.
Why have you refused to involve the police? What are your reasons?
And what will you tell the police? There was an accident. Kidnap or what? I don't have enough details. I need details. Relax. I'll handle it. Hello?
Like I tell you, say battery phone way full. The low means say never no dey try for my area. You dey hear?
Listen to me. Whoever you are, I beg you do not hurt my father. Whatever you want, I'll give to you. Just name it. What do you want?
If you ever want to set your eyes on your father again, pay every dime you collected from me. Starting from my $5 million. Else, one day, I demand a quasi our short. I put one gin out.
Gerald.
You know me now. Well,
what is it with you and my son that make you go this too far? Quiet! Please don't kill me.
Keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
One more word. Beg. Now, one more word. Beg Asuya Mohammed. Stupid man. Listen. The man will build church and the man will build prison yard. Now the same intention then get na correctional center. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
If your son no pay my money, you go down.
Hey! No, please. Big up. Oh! I'll pay you. You pay.
Your son is bad man. Idiot. Go.
Papa? Well, what's going on? But you cannot keep starving yourself like this. Do you want to hurt yourself?
I'm not hungry.
Papa, you're always not hungry. Since last night, you haven't had anything to eat. Because, try and eat something.
Since last night, I have not set my two eyes on Gerald. How can I eat? I don't know if he is okay out there.
Papa, Brother Gerald is fine. All we need to do is to pray for him and be hopeful. Nothing is going to happen to him.
Do you know his whereabouts?
I don't know. Papa, I've been trying to reach him, but his number is not going through. Papa, promise me you'll eat something.
I'll try.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, let me rush and go and check if I'll see him.
Okay.
Eat something, okay?
I'll try.
Thank you.
Emmy,
hey,
how are you?
I'm fine. Well, I thank God for everything. How about you?
Well, as you can see, I'm doing great. Seems you're going out.
I want to go check on my brother at his friend's place. He hasn't been at home since last night.
Exactly why I'm here. I've been trying to reach him over the phone. I couldn't get him. Did he tell you or Papa where he was going?
No, he didn't mention anything to anyone.
This is strange.
I just don't know what's wrong.
It's very unlike Gerald. Let me see, Papa, okay?
Okay, let me just go.
And you take good care of yourself. What's going on? What's happening? Huh? I have been trying to reach you. Nobody has been able to get you on the phone. Your phone has been switched off. What happened?
I was busy taking care of something.
Something? For goodness sake, Gerald, what was so important that you couldn't let anyone know where you are? You got us all worried.
Sorry, baby. It won't happen again. Come. Sorry, it won't happen again, alright?
I was worried sick about you. I tried reaching you on the phone. I couldn't get you and I got really scared.
Have you heard?
Heard what?
Mike's father is dead.
What? When did this happen?
No, his corpse was found this morning.